In this video, we will show an example of a linear regression. For this example, the observations were taken directly from a production environment, modifying only the input variable, and the external factors were not controlled. We select the input and output variable. We confirm the data, and the calculated table X1Y1 is executed. Then, we execute the visualization template. For this specific case, we can observe in the first graph and in the statistics from Qualitools that a significant relationship does not exist between X and Y, and that, even though we have a model equation, it is not enough to predict the response variable Y. Interesting in this example is that the residuals are normally distributed. Nevertheless, this statistic alone is not enough to determine if a correlation exists or not between the variables. Thank you, and see you in the next chapter.